Hello everyone, I am Vaishnavi and this is the demo hack for Codex Hackathon. So I have chosen track 2 and the name of my application is Stoopify, your community Stoop Sale Hub. So welcome to Stoopify. So here basically you can discover Stoop sales in the neighborhood. This is so I have used VS Code and I have also deployed my website on Vercel. So this is the real-time website and I have hosted it on GitHub uh, and then using Vercel I have deployed it. So this is the application. So currently I'm running it on my local host because I'm using React. So first, this is the landing page of the website, and so I have to register here. Then for the authentication, I have used the Auth0 API, and for database, I have used the Firebase database. So first, it will ask for my authorization, and then I'll click on accept. So on clicking on the authorization part, it would let me go to the home page. So this is the home page of the website. Here we can go to different features of the website. I can also log out later on. So first we will look at the directory part. So it's asking me for my location. Accordingly, it would give me the map. So it basically shows all the Stoop sales happening. I can also filter it by sort by date or by location, depending. So it would ascending order. It would apply the filter, and these are the different tags. So this is already done. This is live, and this is the upcoming one, the sales. And I can also use this filter and also the location filter based on my current location, and that's why it asked me. So if I click on anything, so it takes me to this part. It is fetching all the data from Firebase. So this is the detailed part. So it shows me all the details. I can also add comment, and it would get added here along with my name. Since I am the owner, I can also delete it, and it would be gone. So whenever I do the RSVP, it shows me the confetti, and also my name gets added in this list. Everything happens over here. Also, I can register my sale. So suppose I am writing something here. I'll choose the date, then the timing. Then I have to choose my location on the map and then click on submit. So after clicking on submit, it would refresh and it would get added to my directory. So this is the one that we have added. This is the one that we have added, demo sale. I can also RSVP to that and it will show me the number of people attending, and everything gets added over here. So this is the record that I added right now. Also, there is one more record for threads, and that's all about the website. Also, there is a profile part where we can see all the things that we have done till date. Like it shows my activity and also my profile information, and finally also we can join the community. So here I can write whatever thread I want to, and somebody who want to answer can answer that. And that's all about our website. And also we can log out, and it would again go to the home page, the landing page. Thank you.